So today we are going to talk about storytelling, but before to start, I used to make a lot of food sequences in my videos when I was cooking for dinner or something like that, and people told me to stop. I just wanted to make one more, like maximum 10 seconds long, so let's get started. A lot of YouTubers, like for example Casey Neistat or Peter McKinnon, you probably know them, always says that the most important thing in a video is storytelling. You have to tell a story. Even if you are bad with a camera, but you tell a great story, your video will be great. I think in a certain way they are right, but in another way I think they are also a bit wrong. Story is great. If you manage to tell a great story in your video, that's like really great, but they always says that this is the only way to make a great video, and at least that's how I understand what they are saying. I think that's not true. For example, if you make other creative things like drawing or painting, you don't have to tell a story in your painting, and why in video you would have to tell a story. I think that's great if you do, but this is definitively not the only way, and I think the most important thing in a video is to share an emotion, and sometimes the best way to share an emotion is with a story, but that is definitively not the only way. And also another really important thing is the message of your video. To share a message or an emotion, you don't have to do it via a story. A vlog is usually a story, but it doesn't have to be. Like my last vlog, when I went to shoot miniature world pictures with my friend, there was not really a story in that, but I personally think that video was great. I was proud of it and I liked it. So I really think that if you want to make great content, focus first on that emotion, and then if you want to share a story, that will come after that. But first, I think it's really important to focus on emotion. That's even harder to share an emotion than a story, but I think it's more important. I am saying I think because I'm not sure. I mean, I might be totally wrong, but you decide if I am right or wrong. I really want you to think about it and not after this video saying, okay, he's right, I will make a video and I will share an emotion in my video. I really want you to think about what I said, and I don't know if I am right. I think what I say is not stupid, and I really thought about it for a long time, but I mean, I'm only 17 years old, I don't have a lot of experience, so do what you want with that information, but don't take what I said as the absolute truth. And I think there is no truth. Everything is a bit right and everything is a bit wrong, so I think you really have to choose what you agree with and what you don't agree with. I think it's your role to see what is right or wrong. So yes, think about it and make great content and share a lot of emotion and share a message in your videos. Yes, if you want to share a story, that's not wrong to share a story, it's just that that's not my cup of tea. And whatever you think is the right decision, this thing is the right decision. So don't forget to tell me what you thought about this video and about what I said in the comments. I really look forward to see your answers. And yes, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe and to share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. If I sound a bit like I'm sick, it's not that I am sick, it's because I went to a party yesterday night, so whatever. See you guys.